is Francisque. Been down since 2004. I came in 2004, and in August of 2004, and I waited 4 years for trial. I went to trial, then lost on the case. There was no evidence and everything else. It was in Brockton, Massachusetts, of course. And then 2008, I was found guilty of a lesser charge, which was second-degree murder, and then also intimidation of a witness. And then from there, started to appeal my case. But appealing the case, I had no knowledge really of how to do anything because I was ignorant to the law. I didn't know anything about the law. So I had, I still have the same appellate attorney who's helping me right now from CPCS. They didn't have a private attorney. If you don't have a private attorney, of course, you need the knowledge to apply that with the attorney. And B, what food taught me as being the co-counsel, so I didn't have the knowledge to do that. So through that, since 2008, we've been appealing this case. Obviously, it's about to be 16 years since we've been appealing this case. I just want to talk about quickly on the public record request, which is the Mass General Law, Chapter 66, subsection 10, gives you the right to request any records you're looking for pertaining to your cases or else. But I just want to talk briefly on the Harriet Tubman Project. Thanks to the teaching of God Allah Fuquan, who gave me the knowledge back in June when I was in the Harriet Tubman Project. I was going to court on a Rule 30 motion for a new trial. The motion got denied. And then, through the teaching and everything else, paying attention to that, I got to learn about the public record request. I was pushed by Fu himself and then also one of the teachers in the Harriet Tubman, Lara Yisbert, who told me to file the public record request. So they asked to file 3 public record requests, which was one for the police station, one from the DA's office, and one from the attorney's office. So I did the Brockton police. I'm from Brockton, by the way. I did the Brockton police, and then while I was waiting, I filed an appeal because it was late. So the public record came. They sent me a package. Within that package, I found out some records that they were holding without my consent for 19 plus years. I never knew about the existence of the evidence that they were withholding against my will. Part of that were like police reports. Of course, we had some people accusing the witness that went and testified against me. We also have a letter that was intercepted by the Brockton police station, and all these evidence that were being they were withholding this evidence against my will in the Brockton police station. So I never knew about it. Immediately when I found out, I filed what you call an amended Rule 30. And then I stopped my appeal on the regular Rule 30 motion and filed an amended Rule 30. Went back to Brockton Superior and then tried to raise the issue as a Brady violation now. The Brady violation, of course, is withholding exculpatory evidence that can help me. All this I learned from the Harriet Tubman Project. I never knew anything about it prior to joining the Harriet Tubman Project. So all this knowledge came from the Harriet Tubman Project. So we filed the Brady violation and raised the Brady violation rather, and then on the amended Rule 30, and also inserted the regular issues we had prior to the amended Rule 30. We put all that together, went back. We also had DNA evidence that they had I never knew. Witnesses and also suspects in the case that they had I never knew about. If it wasn't for this public record request, I would have never known about it because it was very important. And then also very, very, very material to my case. So then we did that, went down to the lower court. I guess there was I don't know what happened. And then in the lower court, of course, I could say anything right now. The judge, however, did not agree that there was prejudice in this evidence. That doesn't stop there because I'm still going in SJC right now with this case. The Harriet Tubman gave me the knowledge now to know going to the SJC that I had to put all these eggs in one basket and then go to the SJC and raise all these issues and then overturn the case. But I know through the knowledge I'm getting from the Harriet Tubman, I can't be stopped because I'm a product of the Harriet Tubman, a student of Allah Fuquan. I can never be stopped. The knowledge is going to keep growing and flourishing, of course. And that I'm glad it was through the public record that I got to learn. And this doesn't stop, as I said before, because that's not the only public record I'm doing right now. As we speak, I just received a public record that I just did for an itemized listing of everything on the case file. Those things I never knew about. These are the things I'm learning right now. Everything that I need that I can request from my general law, chapter 66, subsection 10. And then everything that I need I could request from the DA, the police station, also my attorney. And one thing that they teach in the Harriet Tubman as well that I got to utilize is asking for the notes. And then now I can incorporate that in my knowledge and then apply that every chance that I have, try to ask for all these things is the notes from the attorney, the notes from the district attorney, also the notes from the DA's office. I said that already, and then also from the jurors. I never knew that I had the right to do that, but through the teaching from the Harriet Tubman Project, I'm learning that from the public record. There's a lot of stuff that I learned, and we keep on learning because the God Fuquan keep on teaching us all the great knowledge, all the great stuff, and then I'm applying them right now. And I'm thankful for the public record that I got to learn. I think because of that, because of the Harriet Tubman, the way that I applied things, because in June when I got denied, it didn't take me long. In November, I got the chance to file the amended Rule 30. And I think it's because of this Rule 30, the amended Rule 30, the things that I got from the public record request that's going to send me home, because they were hiding them since, for 19 plus years. I never knew about it. So I think that's the reason why I'm going to go home. I'm really gratified to have learned the public record request knowledge, and then I'm applying it.